All right, so you're thinking of moving to Delran in a townhome or a condo? That's exactly what we're going to cover in today's video. We're going to show you a few different neighborhoods and a few different price ranges so you can see what you get for your money. We're going to get started right now. All right, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in South Jersey, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications to be notified every time we send out new videos about South Jersey. My name is Matt Curcio. We're Curcio Partners at Real Broker. We get calls and messages every day from people like you looking to make their move in South Jersey, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 5 days or 5 months, give us a call, send us a text, or an email. All of our information is in the description below. So we're going to jump in my truck and head out to Delran and show you some neighborhoods right now. All right, so we're here in Delran. This neighborhood is called the Garden Club. These are all condos. The HOA fee is floating around the mid 200s. Square footage is right around 1,200 square feet for most of the units. Built in around 2003. We have one under contract right now in the mid 200s. As you can see, it's 3-story units, and we're going to drive you around and show you the rest of the neighborhood. All right, so we're in Delran. We're at the Grand at Rancocas. This neighborhood was built around 2003. The HOA fee can be anywhere from under 100 to over 200, depending on the size of the unit. Units can be 1,300s all the way into the low 2,000s. We have one active right now at about 350, under contract at almost 400, and sold recent 350 to 450. So as you can see, nice neighborhood, and we're going to drive you around. All right, so we're here in Delran. This stop, we're at Mill Run Commons. It was built in the late 80s. It's a small set of townhomes. The HOA fee is floating from $200 to $280. Square footage is right around 1,500 for most of the units. We have recent sales anywhere from the low 200s into the around 230. So I'll show you kind of behind me here. And that's it. So we're going to drive you down the street and see you again. All right, so we're here in Delran. This townhome neighborhood is called River's Edge. It was built around 2006. The HOA fee is floating around the high 100s. Square footage can be anywhere from 1,000 to 2,100. Recent sales are anywhere from the 250s into the 350s. So as you can see here, nice neighborhood. And then I'm going to show you behind me. You got the Delaware River right through the trees there. So nice walking paths around that. So we'll drive you around, show you a little bit more. All right, so we're here in Delran. We are in Summerhill. Summerhill has townhomes and condos in it. Square footages, 800s, all the way to 2,700, depending on townhome versus condo. Under contract right now, we have one for 115. That's going to be a condo, all the way up into the almost 400s. Then sold again around 100, all the way into the 400s. Association fee is going to vary depending on the size of the unit. These are the townhomes, some of the townhomes. There's a bunch of different models here. And then behind me here, we have the condos. So we're going to drive you around the community, show you a little bit.